Have you ever decided from tomorrow I won't waste time on my phone? I will stop eating junk food. I will stop procrastinating. But somehow you find yourself doing the same thing again. Why is breaking a habit so difficult? The answer is hidden inside your brain. And surprisingly, your brain is not trying to make your life difficult. It's actually trying to save energy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Vyapti Curious Minds. Your brain loves shortcuts. Our brain performs thousands of actions every day. If we had to consciously think about every small action like brushing our teeth, walking, or tying our shoelace, we would become mentally exhausted. So the brain creates automatic patterns called habits. A habit usually follows a simple cycle: cue, routine, reward. For example, you feel bored. That's the cue. You start scrolling social media. That's the routine. You feel entertained or relaxed. That's the reward. When this happens repeatedly, the brain learns, whenever I feel bored, scrolling makes me feel better. Eventually, you may reach for your phone before you even consciously decide to. Why bad habits feel so good? Here comes the interesting part. Many habits are connected with the brain's reward system. A chemical messenger called dopamine plays an important role in motivation, learning, and reward. When something feels rewarding, the brain remembers it. This does not mean dopamine is simply a pleasure chemical. Instead, it helps your brain learn. This is important. Pay attention to this. That's why checking your phone, eating highly rewarding foods, or receiving notifications can become powerful habits. Your brain starts expecting the reward, and the anticipation itself can make you want to repeat the behavior. Repetition makes the habit stronger. Think of your brain like a path through a forest. The more often you walk along one path, the easier that path becomes to use. Habits work in a similar way. Every time you repeat a behavior in the same situation, the brain strengthens the connections involved in that behavior. That's why habits can become automatic. But there is good news. The brain can change. This ability is called neuroplasticity. Your brain is constantly adapting based on your experiences and behaviors. So, if you repeatedly practice a healthier response, you can gradually make that new behavior easier and more automatic. Why just stop usually does not work? Suppose you tell yourself, I'm never going to check my phone again. But your phone is right beside you. You feel bored. You see the notification, and suddenly your hand reaches for it. The problem is not always a lack of willpower. Your environment may be constantly triggering the old habit. That's why changing the cue can be more effective than simply fighting the habit. Keep your phone away while studying. Don't keep tempting snacks within easy reach. Put your study materials where you can easily see them. Make the good habit easier and the bad habit harder. How to break a bad habit? Instead of trying to completely erase a habit overnight, try changing the pattern. Step 1. Identify the trigger. Ask yourself, when does this habit usually happen? Identify the reward. Step 2. Ask, when am I actually getting from this behavior? Step 3. Replace the routine. Instead of scrolling when you are bored, try a short walk, stretching, reading, or talking to someone. And most importantly, don't expect perfection. One mistake does not mean you have failed. What matters is what you practice repeatedly. So, why is it difficult to break a bad habit? Because your brain has learned a pattern and made it increasingly automatic. But remember, a habit is learned, and learned behaviors can be changed. Your brain is not your enemy, it is a learning machine. And every time you choose a better response, you are teaching your brain a new path. Change the pattern, and you can change the habit. If you found this interesting, subscribe for more fascinating science about the brain, mind, and human behavior. See you in the next video. Save Earth, save life. Thank you.